Hi, you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha. It's a day that we've all been waiting for after months of the pandemic. The vaccination against coronavirus has finally begun. It's in the United Kingdom, but very soon it will be rolled out across the world. And this could be one of the biggest vaccination programs, immunization programs across the world, which is why the entire world is watching it keenly, because any lessons from the success as well as the failures would be implemented across the world in the other countries as well. So today I'm going to talk about what are the challenges, how is it going to be rolled out, is it going to be compulsory or not, how will all of us get access to it, and all of these other questions that we've had for several months that are now being answered by the United Kingdom. UK, as we know, is the first country to approve the emergency use of the vaccines that have been developed by the American drug maker Pfizer as well as Germany's BioNTech. And it's going to be rolled out. Already 8 lakh doses have been shipped on Sunday to the United Kingdom, after which today the rollout has already begun. Now, how will everyone have access to it? This is one of the biggest questions. There are 50 hospital posts that have been put in place, and this is where the vaccines will be given out. Other than that, the local healthcare centers have also been put on standby. And as we've seen for the influenza shots as well, there are other sports arena as well that have been kept on standby. Here as well, people can get vaccinated, but that's only on standby as of now. At first, it's going to be only in the hospitals. Now, how will people be categorized? The UK has already decided and has categorized people as well into 9 different categories, starting with those who are above 80 years of age, and they are now being vaccinated, after which the healthcare workers will be vaccinated, and it would be, down to those who are above 65 years of age, and very soon everyone above 16 years of age would be vaccinated. And the UK plans that within the very first phase itself, 99% of those who are at the highest risk of contracting COVID-19 and the comorbidities that they have, they will first be vaccinated. It will all be done in the first phase itself. Now coming to the challenges that will be faced as well, one of the biggest challenges, especially for the Pfizer vaccine, is how it's going to be delivered. The biggest challenge being that it has to be in super cold conditions, up to minus 70 degrees when it is brought to the country. The good news is that it can be stored in a normal refrigerator for some time, perhaps 2 days, and as it's going to be rolled out. Like I mentioned before, in the UK, at first, they have already identified those who will be vaccinated. These doses will be given 2 doses to each person 3 weeks apart. 55 million people have been identified across the country. And talking about the challenges, like I said, for Pfizer, it's completely different. It might not be the same in India, because the lead vaccine candidates in India are Covaxin as well as Covishield, and for them the delivery is not going to be so complicated. So it's going to be similar. Of course, in India, the complications could be a lot different, because our population, given the population size, is going to be extremely different in India. There 55 million are going to be vaccinated, and here it's going to be much larger, 135 crores who will have to be vaccinated. But one thing's for sure, the vaccination is here. The first country to roll out a vaccine that has undergone all 3 trials, all the 3 phases of the trials already in place. So we are also going to get access to the vaccine soon. But until then, of course, like we've been saying, we need to continue following the precautions, ensure that we wear face masks, ensure that we maintain physical distancing, and ensure personal hygiene as well until the vaccines come out. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comment section as well. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care.